Hey, how we doing, guys? Today we're going to be installing a Tarx power steering alteration kit. Let's dive straight in and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the pack, minus the sewing knife. I don't know why that's in there. But so you basically get a bag of bolts, two things that I'm not too sure of yet. I don't really know what that's going to be used for. Comes with a belt, obviously the bracket, and this must be the hosing to go to the power steering reservoir. They also give you an install guide as well on this piece of paper here. There's a link, so you just click on that or go to the link. That's probably what I'm going to do next, and let's figure out how to install this thing. So with this power steering pump relocation kit, it's basically moving the power steering pump down to where the aircon currently sits. So we'll obviously need to remove that bracket. I currently have mine in, so let's go ahead and remove that. So next up, you're going to want to set up your adjuster for the power steering pump, and it's actually not as straightforward as it seems. So you actually have a thick nut and a thin nut. If you look at them side by side, you're going to want the thick nut to be on the left-handed threaded rose joint and the thin nut on the right-handed threaded rose joint. So let's go ahead and put that all together. Next step is attaching the adjuster to the power steering pump itself. You're going to want to make sure that it's the side that has the thin nut on the end of it attaching to the power steering pump. Just ignore that hose connector. I'm just using it to stand up the power steering pump. So let's go bolts. Let's go washer. And nylon locking nut. Okay, so as you can see, there's 3 holes to choose from. I originally put the bolt through the middle hole. However, when I was going to adjust the tension, the thin nut there was binding on the power steering pump bracket there. So what I ended up doing was unwinding the adjuster all the way down, taking it out of the middle hole and putting it in the lower hole, the bottom hole. And I just made sure that that thin nut was wound out enough so that it wouldn't bind on that power steering pump bracket or mounting wing there. So yeah, just a little bit of insight for you guys there if you run into that problem where the thin nut binds on that power steering pump wing. So that's all there really is to installing this Tux power steering pump alteration kit. If you do get stuck, there is a step-by-step guide on their website, efisolutions.com.au. I'll put that link in the description for you. And they are the ones that made this kit. They don't sell it on any other website. So if you do want this kit, you'll have to buy it from their website. As you probably noticed, I'm missing the smaller line out of the two coming out of the power steering reservoir. I'll jump on that tonight, as well as one of the fixing bolts that bolt to the strut tower from the power steering reservoir. I'm missing that as well, but I'll get to that later today and probably have that in the next video, which I'll see you guys then.